Hey Team Blossom, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Blossoming Jasmine, and I just wanted to show you some of the cups that I've made. The two cups on the end are crystal, the color crystal, and then the middle cup is a cup I made for my mama's. She's an AKA, but I wanted to show you my Swarovski cups, so I'm going to introduce that now. So on the end, there are two Swarovski cups, and in the middle is a glass cup that I made for my mom. She's an AKA, and it says Skiwi. But I wanted to show my clients and my prospective clients how to purchase from me, because I get so many inquiries on how do I buy from you. So just to be honest, it's really easy. All you have to do is go to blossomingjasmine.com. You're going to click on the pearl and bling cup. And the two options that you're going to have is either crystal, which looks like a diamond, or crystal AB, which reflects pink, yellow, and blue. So those are the two cups that you're going to see on the end, right? If you want a cup that's super customized, then you're going to have to DM me. You can either do that on my Instagram at Blossoming Jasmine, or you can email me at info@blossomingjasmine. But either way, it's very easy. The price is pretty much comparable to a regular cup. It just really depends on which crystal you choose. If you want a glass stone or a Swarovski crystal, you know, there's levels to it. So I really wanted to just break it down to my clients, my future clients, and just say thank you for anyone that has purchased from me. Y'all, when I say sometimes I be crying while I be blinging, and I try not to, but the gratitude, I just be feeling overwhelmed. Like, thank you, God, for these people. Like, I just feel very grateful that people believe in me. And I always tell people, thank you for believing in me. Thank you for supporting me. So if you have ever supported me or bought something from me, I just wanted to say thank you. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to turn on your notification. If you're not a customer now, if you keep coming back to my videos, you're going to end up a customer, because the bling lifestyle is addicting. Let's just be honest, especially when you get used to Swarovski. It's like a whole nother level when you reach that point. But we're gonna get there, y'all. I'm gonna slowly work y'all up to get there, because we all deserve the best, okay? So thank you again for watching my content. I wanted to invite you to subscribe. It's free, 100% free. Make sure to turn your notifications, and of course, if you want to check out any of my products, always you can go to www.blossomingjasmine.com. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Be blessed with love always. Blossoming Jasmine.